Welcome to our channel. Today we how to add a smart thermostat to Google Home. Smart Home Setup Guide step by step clearly. Make sure your thermostat is installed safely, powered on, and connected to your HVAC system as the manufacturer describes. Confirm you have a stable 2 4 GHz Wi-Fi network available, because many thermostats do not support 5 GHz. Update the Google Home app on your phone from the App Store or Google Play to avoid setup errors. Sign into the Google account you will use for your home devices, and keep Bluetooth and location services enabled. Open the Google Home app and check that your home and room structure is created or ready to use. Download the thermostat's official app, create an account if required, and follow its in-app steps to connect the thermostat to Wi-Fi. In the thermostat app, name the thermostat clearly, such as hallway thermostat, so it is easy to recognize later. Verify the thermostat is fully online inside the manufacturer app before you try linking it to Google Home. Return to the Google Home app and tap the plus icon to add a new device. Choose the option to set up a device, and then select Works with Google if your thermostat uses a partner service. Search for your thermostat brand in the list of services and select it carefully to avoid linking the wrong platform. Log in with the same account you used in the thermostat app and approve the permissions request. Wait for Google Home to discover your thermostat and show it as an available device. Select your thermostat and assign it to the correct home to keep all devices organized under one place. Pick the room where the thermostat is located, because this helps voice commands work more naturally. Give the device a simple voice-friendly name like thermostat or living room thermostat. Test basic control in Google Home by changing the target temperature a few degrees and confirming the thermostat response. If your model supports modes, switch between heat, cool, and off inside Google Home to confirm full control. Try a Google Assistant voice command like, "Hey Google, set the living room thermostat to 22 degrees. Enable any device-specific features in the thermostat app, such as eco mode, schedules, or geofencing, if you want automation. In Google Home, create a routine to set a comfortable temperature at a certain time, like morning wake-up. Add another routine to reduce heating or cooling when you leave home, if your household schedule is consistent. If the thermostat does not appear, confirm it is on the same Wi-Fi network as your phone during setup. If linking fails, unlink the thermostat service in Google Home and link it again using the correct account. Reboot the thermostat, your phone, and your router if commands are delayed or the device shows offline. Check for firmware updates in the thermostat app, because updates often fix connectivity issues. Turn on two-factor authentication for your accounts and use a strong Wi-Fi password to keep your smart home secure. Do a final test by viewing the thermostat tile in Google Home and ensuring temperature, mode, and set point are accurate. Subscribe to the channel and like the video so you do not miss more smart home setup guides. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and proceed to the next step when ready. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.